What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Another video for you guys. So today's video, I'm gonna show you the process of when you have a lot of copper to sell, where you go to sell it. All right, let's go. So we're gonna get a pricing here and see. Right, so a lot of you guys know I do bathroom remodeling, right? And the old pipes in the bathroom, especially the pipe that connects the shower body, the older house, they have copper, and you cut them out and you put back CPVC or PEX pipe, right? You replace them, and all those pipes for the past, I'm guessing maybe 4 or 5 years, I've been collecting them, and I have a lot of copper pipe. I'm gonna go collect them now by my brother's house. I have them stored up there in a garbage can, and take you guys along the ride to the scrap yard to sell them and show you what the price of copper is. Right now the copper price is a little bit high, so every 4 or 5 years I usually do this once when I have enough copper, right? So I'm on the road right now heading to my brother's house. The past 4 or 5 years, this is the collection here of copper. All right, see all different lines I pull out from the job. Right, these are some of the cut pieces, and then these are all the shower bodies. Then right, this is where all the what was installed in the houses. So now let me show you guys something here. So I see here, this is the elbow, right? So when you go sell the copper, if you left on the elbows and the couplings, because it's solder, they might give you one lesser price. It's not class A or grade A copper. It's a like grade B or C or however they grade it, but it's a lower grade, so you get a lower price for them. So these here are the copper tubes, but you can see that they cut all of them, the couplings cut out from them, right? So this 2 container here have clean copper, and then this one is all the cut pieces and the brass shower bodies, right? And even some fittings here. So these are the lower grade metal. These are the higher grade metal. So you get different price. If you leave it on, you get a lower price. So that's why you take off all the couplings. See, I cut all of them. So one of the things I do before I carry the copper is to sort out all the copper joins them from the brass, because it's a different price, right? Different price. So you have all the couplings. See, here's a T elbow. So all this a copper, a lower grade. I'm gonna try and put them in one section so I get all of that, and then all the brass fitting, all the shower body, then I'm gonna put in the big bucket, right? Get this big one here. So we load it up there, Heading to the scrapyard now. So I just pull up here at the scrapyard. Gonna give you guys a quick look here around. So that's the big scale, eh? That's a big weight scale. And that's, so I have to go over there to unload the copper. The guy's gonna wait over there and give me a ticket, and then I come back over here to collect the money, right? So I'm gonna video everything and show you guys. So this is what the scrapyard look like. A lot of container. They collect all kinds of scrap metal here: aluminum, zinc, iron, copper, brass, and they compact it and ship it out to the refineries. Alright, so we're rolling up here. We're gonna see what's the process here. What's up, man?
Jose,
Camera.
the trash?
Huh?
Trash?
No, camera.
Oh.
Video.
Oh yeah?
Put it back.
Oh wow.
Tap the screen. The screen. What?
Yeah.
Hey, come here.
No, you won't.
Are you recording you?
Yeah.
Come here, come here.
No, viejo.
Are you recording?
I do YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube video. I do vlogging.
Here, come here. I want to put them on YouTube. Right here. You put that on YouTube.
Alright, so yeah.
I like YouTube videos. I watch it at night. Before you know it, it's fucking 2 in the morning, dude. You know?
Yeah, oh yeah, man, yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Alright, so I got all the copper out. Alright, so these, I cut out all the joints.
Okay.
Like these. Yeah, you can check them. Everything here, in here, and in here, I cut out all the coupling and the joints. And then these are all the joints.
You say that was number 2? I mean number 1? Okay, number 2. Number 1, number 2.
And then these
number
are
2, and that's yellow brass.
yeah. So
Plumber's brass.
what is the price for the number 1?
It's high. It's up there.
It's up there.
Yeah.
Okay. But this one and this one is the same thing.
No.
It's not? Why is it not the same thing?
One thing, we're letting you slide with all this corrosion.
Oh, okay, I
That's
see.
not
I see.
good. Well, we're giving you a break. with
Number
all
1.
this.
All right, man. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. All right, so let's go. So we're gonna get a pricing here and see how much it weighs.
You're lucky because the prices are really up right now.
Oh yeah, my father-in-law came last week and he sold some, so that's
It's
good.
more better today than last week.
Oh wow, nice man, nice.
Got it? Number 1. Number 2 copper.
So you're weighing them with the big scale and you're putting it in the computer over there.
Plumber's brass.
Yeah, man. I don't use my page. Okay. Put it in. It's Azim, A-Z-I-M.
Okay, spell that.
A-Z-I-M. M and then space R-A-H R-A-A yeah. A H is right there.
Oh, okay.
The first one. That's me right there.
Oh,
So I do fishing video, construction video, all kinds of video.
okay.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right. So what is the price for number 1?
$4.17.
$4.17 a pound for number 1, and then in number 2. 411, and then the other one, the brass,
169.
169. So we're gonna get a piece of paper here and then go up to the front desk.
That's what you got ID?
Oh yes, sir.
Are you a Gypsy boy?
Huh?
Are you a Gypsy boy?
What is it?
Are you a Gypsy boy?
Gypsy?
Yeah.
No, I'm Guyanese, man. Caribbean.
Oh,
I'm from the Caribbean.
okay. Just show the ID at the window, they'll give you the paper.
Okay, okay. All right, thanks. Appreciate it, man. All right, so that was it there. I'm gonna wait for my buckets, go up to the front desk, and then I'm gonna show you how many pounds and what's the price, the total price they're gonna give me for everything. So, my guy here emptying it out my buckets. All right, so we're waiting for the guy. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Have a good holiday.
You too, man. Happy holidays to you. Happy New Year. So let's go see. Peace out. Peace out, man.
One of the cleanest scrapyard you're gonna see.
Yeah, I know. Very clean scrapyard, man.
One of the cleanest.
One of the
in
cleanest,
town.
man. Yeah, and you guys are really nice over here. I come over here all the time, man. So,
Appreciate it.
thank you, man. Huh? Yeah, you too. Right, so gonna see here what we have.
I need a fingerprint.
All right, so they want a fingerprint. See that? Good. Fingerprint
Okay,
six.
so you got 1, 2, 320, 330 with 90 cents.
Okay, that's everything right there.
There you go, man.
All right, thank you, appreciate it.
You got it. Have a good one.
You too. All right, thank you.
Take care.
You too. All right, so that was $330, couple cents. That wasn't bad there. That was a nice little payday there. So that's from about 4 or 5 years of you know, you're doing bathrooms, you're getting the pipes, you're getting the copper from the shower bodies, and you come and you sell them. You know, it's worth it when you get a good bunch of it. So all right, try set up the camera there. So guy give me back my ID. Right, so you need an ID here when you come here, sure. All right, so the money, $330 something dollar, $30 and a few coins here. Right, so let me show you here. So this is what I wanted to see. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, number one copper, $4.17 a pound. $4.17 a pound. The net weight for that was 44 pounds. Came up to $183. Then you have number 2 copper, which is a lower grade of copper. It's 26 pounds at that price sell for $4.11 a pound, which is $106. So that's where the most of the money, you get the most of the money from. Then the brass, that's like the shower body and stuff, 24 pounds at $1.69 a pound, came up to $40. $330.90. Right, and this is Scrap System. That's the name of their company. So this location is on Old Winter Garden Road, and right after Jan Young on Old Winter Garden. Address is 2600 Old Winter Garden Road. So all right, so if you get scrap metal, you can come and sell it here, right? This is just a quick video showing you the process of selling copper, right? So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next construction video.